nice for you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Let me know if I can get you anything else.
Thank you so much.
Local cheese is the port wine. It's
It
my
is.
favorite.
Hey, how are you? Did you like the Cabernet? Yeah, it was really good.
Hey guys, I got this new beer. It's made by our tap.
That Cabernet, how much is it?
I like this beer. How's your wine?
Thank you for the wonderful tasting.
You're welcome.
Wildberry, that's my favorite.
Same here.
Hey, want to grab some food at a Taste of Philly?
Yes, please.
Cheers.
Hey, welcome to Taste of Philly.
Wow, this place looks great.
How are you?
I'm good. Can I try the Philly press?
Perfect. We'll have that right up for you.
Channel 3.
Thanks, Jimmy. Can I get you anything else?
Oh, and 2 lemonades would be fantastic.
Oh, that food looks so good.
Right. Here are those tacos for you.
Everything looks fantastic.
Let me know if there's anything else I can grab for you.
Is Italian wedding and for you, sir?
Look at us.
So beautiful. I love this historic room. It's just beautiful.
I'm so glad we chose this room to have Kate's birthday party. Thank you guys so much for coming.
After lunch, we should shop at the boutique upstairs.
Great idea.
I hear that everything's locally made.
Just don't get lost.
Mom, I think I found the perfect dress. This is so cute.
Hey, honey, I'm at the boutique and I think I found him the perfect gift.
Oh, I think this would be perfect for Grandma.
Yeah, I think he's gonna love it.
Look at this over here. I really like that. Wow, I can't believe all of these items are locally made. I sure did. This is great.